some breakfast at our hotel, the Mekong, what was it called? Sunset View Hotel. Has a great view of the river from our balcony. Yesterday we got a bargain. It's still pretty expensive. We paid $25 for a room. I think they just put the price down because they wanted to sell the last room, because this morning we wanted to extend for one night while we were here in Luang Prabang. But apparently all the hotel rooms are fully booked, so we have to find something else. So the time is now 10 in the morning, and at 11 we're going to the Kuang Si Waterfalls, which is supposed to be very beautiful. But right now we're just gonna get some supplies. We need some sandwiches. We saw some great ones at the market yesterday. And we need some water so we can last the whole day out at the waterfalls. So now we're just walking downtown Luang Prabang. And it's nice here. It's like walking around in maybe a Caribbean village. It's just small French inspired buildings, colonial buildings. It's pretty cool. In the daytime it doesn't look so busy, but in the nighttime it lights up, and it's more hot. The weather is a bit chilly this morning. It's absolutely perfect in temperature. But in the evening, like right down there where the white truck is, the night market starts, and then it just goes for like, I don't know, 600 meters, and then there's shops with clothing and everything, and to the sides there's food. Yeah, you're gonna see the food tonight. It looks amazing. One of the many temples here in Laos, and it's just down the main street. Look. Okay, so Jule and I are going to Kuang Si Waterfalls now with some of our friends that we met on the slow boat. We're in this small Tuk Tuk, and we paid like 180,000 Kip to go there today, and the driver will wait there for us. And we're driving through these small villages. It's pretty cool. This is our friend Mark, and this is Romy. She's German and she's Australian, and Jule is hanging out too. And we're very excited to see the waterfalls today. They're supposed to be very nice. Okay, so we have arrived at our destination. Apparently we have to walk 5 minutes up the road to get to the waterfalls. We're just waiting for Mark, and then we'll go up and see the beautiful waterfalls. Apparently here in the high season the water is supposed to be like crystal blue, but in the rainy season it's supposed to be brown, so it's a good idea to get here when it's not the rainy season. The Kuang Si Waterfall Park. My name is Jeff. Alright, so it's 20,000 Kip for entrance. How much? 20,000 Kip. Apparently, yeah. 20,000 baht. It's so much money! Kuang Si Waterfall. Oh man, we're walking through the jungle now. Walking in the bush like a boss. It's just like being in the wet part of Australia.
Yeah, Queensland.
Yeah. Free the bears, man. It's not Free Willy, it's Free the Bears. Looks pretty cool. Okay, we're not allowed to feed the bears. We're allowed to stare at them having a nap. They're just chilling. He's scratching himself. It's so cool. Oh look, a polar bear. What are they supposed to be? Yeah, polar bear.
Grizzly maybe, black bear from the USA.
It's a brown bear, American black bear, an Andean bear, sloth bear, giant panda, moon bear, and a sun bear. Look at the sun bear, man, it looks cool. Its face looks weird.
That's what happens when you like crossbreed of a panda and that thing. It looks like it's
yeah.
crossed with a badger.
Yeah, I know, right? Or a fish.
Retarded fish.
Retarded fish with fur. this is a place where this is like a sanctuary for bears, where they feed them, they treat them medically, and like maybe if they find them in the wild, they set them free or set them free. They're still in cages, but it's nice and safe here. They have stuff to play with. They don't have people bothering them. And look, this guy is just chilling out. Looks like a really nice place, and there's lots of room to walk around on. And people can make donations. You can buy some stuff online. You can buy. You can just donate money if you want to, and it goes to food and education and everything. It's pretty cool. Look, some of the bears have been stuck in this. That would be a nightmare, right? It's what you see on TV. But they set these guys free. Oh, look at the baby bear. But they set these guys free and give them a happy life. That's nice. It's very nice. It's beautiful. Oh, we're at the waterfalls now. We're just arriving.
I used to give us a picture before.
Holy shit! That's amazing.
Hold on. I'm going in.
You're going in? Mark is going in. I'll take the bag. Yeah, go for it, man. He can't wait. He's like a little child. Oh man, look, watch out for the rocks. So, we're in the pool. The water is fucking freezing. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, so right now, I'm in the pool. And it's very cold, and it's very beautiful. And there's Julia over there, waving. So, I'm wearing flip-flops because there's a lot of rocks in the water, but I think I'm gonna take them off and swim over to you, Julia. Absolutely amazing, guys. The water after you got under is so great. And now we're here on this small island. It's a beautiful tree. And this guy just jumped in the water. He's a daredevil. This is so beautiful. And she's so beautiful. Hey Yula.
Hey!
You get a workout?
Yep.
Was it good?
This is kind of hot. The camera is crazy.
Oh, he's going for it. Mark is jumping in. Got Mark, the crime writer, now to do his amazing job. Yeah. Amazing job, bro. Romy has been exploring and we're ready to have a little bit of lunch. wine bar here in Luang Prabang. Loads of wine. Just chilling a bit before we go out for dinner. We had a great day at the waterfalls. And now we're just enjoying ourselves here and chilling out. It's good. Famous food streets. This is where the good shit is. Mark, your friend is here?
Oh yeah, yeah, he is my friend. He's on the
What is this? Sorry? Ah, okay. Is it spicy? Huh? Tomato sauce. Okay, okay. What's up? So what'd you get, man?
The giant pork spare rib cooked on an open fire in corrugated iron.
Yeah.
Nice plate. They sold me on the papadon, so that's to say.
All right.
A few chips, some green veg, bit of tofu.
That's good.
Happy man.
We got our first dish. We got some fish. Very excited for this. Looks good. We got some chili sauce. If you want some chili sauce. Hey doggy, how you doing, dude? And we're waiting for some of the same pork as Mark got. And we're getting a chicken breast as well from the grill. And it smells amazing in here. It's very nice. And the girls out there getting some vegetables for us. So I think we'll get some full bellies today. It's gonna be good.